Hey everyone, welcome. I'm Somil and this is FastAPI for GenAI backends. By the end of this course, you're going to know exactly how to take any AI application you have built and turn into a production-ready API. Before we get into the technical stuff, I want to start with a story that a lot of you might actually relate to. Meet Karan. He's 24, a CS grad, and he has been putting in the work. He built RAG pipelines, connected LLMs to custom data, and even shipped a few chatbot prototypes. By most measures, Karan is well ahead of his peers. He walks into an interview feeling genuinely prepared, and then something unexpected happens. The interviewer looks at Karan's project, nods, and then asks, "This is great, but how would you actually serve this in production? Can you expose it as an API, handle concurrent requests, add authentication?" Karan knows the AI side cold, but the deployment layer, the serving layer, the part that makes an AI app a real product, that's the gap. And it cost him the offer. This course exists to close that gap. So what exactly will you walk away with? By the end of this course, you will be able to design and build production-grade APIs for your AI application, serve RAG system and LLM workflows through clean typed endpoints, apply security and testing practices that makes your APIs interview and production worthy, and deploy them to the cloud. Everything Karan he wished he knew, you will have them covered end to end. You're not just going to learn the concepts, you're going to build two real projects. The first is RAG API for podcast transcripts. You will build endpoints for ingestion, retrieval, and streaming answers. The second is a text-to-SQL agentic API, where user asks questions in plain English and your service generate and execute save SQL queries. You're not just going to learn the concepts, you're going to build two real projects. The first is RAG API for podcast transcript. You will build endpoints for ingestion, retrieval, and streaming answer. The second is a text-to-SQL agentic API, where user asks question in plain English and your service generates and executes save SQL queries and return the answer in the natural language. Both projects are the kind of thing you can walk into an interview with and confidently talk through end to end. Here's how the course is structured. We start with the foundations, what FastAPI is, how asyncs work, and your first running app. Then we go deeper into request and response patterns, application architecture, security, and testing. From there, we move into persistent and state management, and then you build both projects. We close with production deployment. Every module builds on the last, and Karan is right there with you the whole way. That's your overview. You know exactly what this course is going to give you, what you will build, and how it will connect. In the next video, we are going to look at FastAPI properly, what it is, how it compares to other frameworks, and why it became the go-to choice for Python team building GenAI backends. I'll see you there.